In 1933, the Chavez family couldn't afford to pay the taxes on his small farm in Arizona. They had to leave Arizona to find jobs picking crops in California. The working condition was really bad because they didn't pay the money they promised. The workers decided to go on strike. Before 8th grade, Cesar attended more than 30 different schools. After 8th grade, he quit school to work full-time in the fields. In 1959, Cesar became executive director of the Community Service Organization, CSO. As a leader, he began pushing to start a farm workers union. Cesar was unable to start a union through the CSO. He decided to resign and start a union on his own. Soon workers everywhere had heard about Cesar Chavez and the NFWA. Across the state of California, more and more farmer workers joined on strikes, demanding better paid. Cesar's idea of non-violence began to spread. Newspapers and TV stations covered the strike. The NFWA gave strikers food, child care, and place to sleep and talk. Cesar went to other labor unions, churches, and universities to ask for support for the strike. Donations came, and so did hundreds of volunteers to join the strike. That December, the NFWA took further action. Cesar organized a boycott in California. After 25 days, the marchers reached the Capitol and heard good news from Cesar. The NFWA will represent its workers. The workers will get a 35-cent raise. In July 1967, the NFWA formed a new union called the United Farm Workers Organizing Committee UFWA.